They're fixing the motor of the gangway port side because later may be broken.
Again, bro.
Yeah.
Again, after problem.
Yes. No good, my friend.
Good Peter.
No good. Too much work. Yeah. Pangsamantala nilagyan muna namin ng suporta kasi pag anong possible almost crush siya o Maria yan. Dalas to, nagkakaroon ng problema talaga. Starboard side, hindi pa rin nagagawa, hindi pa siya napipix. Yun talaga, sira yung motor ng durog yung bearing. Ito, madalas din nagkakaroon ng aberya. Bumagay na naman. Okay, another. Okay. Tools, what kind of tools do you like, my friend? I take it. 19, 17, 13. Okay, Roger, copy that. Do you want adjustable? It's better. Okay, just wait for a while. Okay. Okay. Wait tayo. Okay, adjustable.